Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to secure your files, folders, or entire drives, knowing the differences between BitLocker and VeraCrypt is crucial. Let's break down how each tool works, and help you decide which one is right for your security needs. First, let's talk about BitLocker. BitLocker is a built-in encryption tool in Windows that allows you to encrypt entire drives with just a few clicks. It's easy to use and integrates seamlessly with Windows, making it a great choice for users who want hassle-free encryption. However, it only works at specific Windows version, such as Pro, Enterprise, Education Edition. Here's how you can use it. Click on this PC on desktop. Right-click on the drive and select Turn on BitLocker from the context menu. Choose how you want to unlock the drive, password or smart card. Then back up BitLocker recovery key. Select whether to encrypt the entire drive or just used space. And the new encryption mode or compatible mode. Click Start Encrypting. Once finished, your drive is BitLocker encrypted. And it will be locked every time you restart your PC. Now, let's talk about VeraCrypt, a free, open-source disk encryption software that's known for its flexibility and strong encryption capabilities. And it works on macOS and Linux system, too. Unlike BitLocker, VeraCrypt lets you create encrypted virtual drives or even encrypt entire partitions. Here's how you can use it. At Begin, download and install VeraCrypt from the official website. Open VeraCrypt. Assign a drive letter to the volume. And click Create Volume. Then choose Create an encrypted file container for encrypting files. Or encrypt a non-system partition/drive for full disk encryption. Then select Standard VeraCrypt volume, click on Next. Here, select a volume location. And name the volume. Hit on Next. Select Encryption Algorithm, AES is recommended. And Hash Algorithm. Next. Set your volume size. Next. Here set your encryption password. Move your mouse for randomness. After done, select the file system type. And click on Format. Now the VeraCrypt volume has been successfully created. Click on Exit. Click on Select File button to select the VeraCrypt container. Then mount the encrypted volume by clicking Mount. Lastly, enter your password. And the volume will be accessible as a regular drive. You can put your important files and folders in it. After use, back to VeraCrypt. Click on Dismount. VeraCrypt offers more customization and stronger encryption algorithms than BitLocker, making it ideal for those who need advanced security, but it can be a bit more complex to set up. So, which one should you choose? If you're a Windows user looking for simple, seamless encryption with minimal setup, BitLocker is your best choice. However, if you need stronger security, customizable options, or want to encrypt specific files and folders, VeraCrypt might be the better tool for you. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials on protecting your privacy. And don't forget to drop any questions or thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching.